Hey there, Lynn Klosick with Marsh Properties, and I am coming to invite you to a workshop that we're going to be having in October. So you may remember that earlier this year we had a workshop for first-time home buyers where we got in the room with a couple of experts and we invited anyone who was curious to learn more about if this was their time to buy and what questions or information they needed to know, right? So we had that great conversation. However, through the process of talking with some past clients, we learned there was another conversation we want to have, and that's if you bought in the last 10 to 12 years, you have equity and a great interest rate, you don't necessarily want to sell, but you want to find out what you can do with that equity because you kind of want to stay where you are, but you want to explore your options. So Joseph and I actually have been learning that process. We have been building our investment properties by using real estate to purchase. So we've kind of been doing that research, and we thought we'd love to get in the room and talk a little bit about it. That's kind of the route we went. But if you're not, maybe you don't want to buy an investment property, but you want to do some renovations. Maybe there's just some other creative ways you want to find out what does my equity mean for my future real estate strategy. So we love to have those conversations, right? We love education. We love talking about it. So please put on your calendar and comment equity below for October 5th. That's a Monday night. And other exciting news, we opened a new Keller Williams office up here in Summerville. It is at 605 North Main Street. That's where we're going to host it. And there will be more experts in the room to make sure that we know what questions you need to ask so that you can get on that road of finding out what does this equity mean for me. So anyway, we would love to see you. Mark your calendar, comment equity, and we will send you an invitation. And thanks so much. Hope to see you there.